little video right now. So I ordered the magnetic drain plugs from gencoupestore.com. So it's pretty easy concept. You replace your differential drain bolt, your transmission drain bolt, and your oil drain bolt with this magnetic one, and pretty much it's exactly that. It's a magnet. Any metal particles that are going around in your fluid will stick to this, and then when you go to change it again, not only can you see how much metal is on your magnet right here, that'll keep you informed on if anything major is going on inside your engine, your transmission, or your diff. But yeah, anyway, so it's under the Sideways Guru brand. The diff and the transmission bolt size is M18 by 1.5, and that's these two right here. And then the oil plug is M14 by 1.5. You do get the copper washer with all of them, and it's $30 shipped to your door for the set of 3. But that's it, short little video.